I received this pressurized handheld steam cleaner as a gift, and it's one of those cleaning tools that immediately feels useful once you start using it. This is a portable, multi-surface steam cleaner that heats up in about 20 seconds and uses 1,350 watts of power to produce strong, pressurized steam. Because it's steam-based, you can clean without using harsh chemicals, which I really like for everyday household cleaning. One of the first things I noticed is how compact it is and lightweight it is. It's easy to carry around the house and doesn't feel bulky or hard to maneuver when you're using it for longer cleaning sessions. The steamer comes with 14 different accessories, which makes it extremely versatile. You got different nozzle attachments, brushes, extension pieces, and specialty tools that let you clean a wide range of surfaces. Whether you're working on tile, grout, sinks, faucets, stovetops, or bathroom fixtures like I am, there's an attachment that fits the job. I really like the detail brush attachments for grout lines and tight corners. The steam gets into places that are hard to reach with regular cleaning tools, and it helps loosen buildup so it wipes away much more easily. The angle nozzle is great for crevices and edges, like around sinks, stove knobs, or baseboards. There's also a wider attachment that works well for larger surfaces, which helps speed things up when you're cleaning bigger areas. The steam cleaner has a safety lock, which is an important feature, especially if you have kids around. It prevents accidental steam release and makes the whole unit feel safer and more controlled to use. Because it heats up so quickly, you don't have to wait around for it to be ready. You can fill it, power it on, and start cleaning almost immediately. That makes it easy to grab for quick cleanups instead of feeling like a big chore. I found that this steamer especially is useful in the bathroom and kitchen. It works well on sinks, showers, tile, and hard to clean spots where grime builds up. The steam helps break things down so you're not scrubbing nearly as hard. It's also nice knowing you're cleaning with heat instead of using chemicals, which makes it a good option for frequently touched surfaces. Overall, this handheld steam cleaner feels powerful, easy to use, and very versatile. Between the fast heat up, strong steam output, and all the included accessories, it handles a lot of different cleaning tasks. Since receiving this as a gift, it's become one of those tools I actually reach for instead of avoiding. If you're looking for a portable steam cleaner that can tackle multiple areas of the house and make cleaning easier, this one is definitely worth checking out.